Hi guys, it's me, Robin from the Nest. I just wanted to, well, it's been a while since I did a video. Been a little bit busy. We're getting ready to do the gardens here. So what I brought you here for is all of our berries are coming on. So I got my black raspberries are on right now. A couple strawberries there, if you can see them. Then if you come over this way, our raspberries are going nuts. So I'm in the midst of picking all of them, as you can see here. Let's see, let's go around this way. I'm making that my butterfly garden out that way. This here is where, I'll show you the grass that I'm going to plant here, but we're going to move some of our daffodils over to here and make this a little bit bigger. Black-eyed Susans are coming on. Yeah, see, these are the daffodils here that I want to take out. Got to cut back our things over here, black-eyed Susans. I know normally you take your rhubarb, but mine just came on now, so. And we've got a bunch of little plants. We got squashes. That's our sunflowers coming on. These are sweet potatoes, or potatoes of some sort, I think. That's our rose. Now, sweating to death. It's like 90 degrees today. All right, let's just shoot over here. All right, here's our hazelnut trees and our black cherry. These we're gonna try to get planted the next couple days. This is all of our garden here, guys. We got peppers coming on here. Peppers over here, our oregano, mint, lemongrass is here, lemon balm here, more squashes and that. Squashes here too. And these are the ones that were freebies, so I'm going to try to get them in the garden up above. This is going to be our potato bed. We got to put more dirt on that. Mulberry tree right there that I got to get in. That's another mulberry over there I've got to get in. Still no luck with the bee boxes. Alright, let's go up this way. Oh yeah, here we go over here. Our horseradishes, tomato plants, beans that the deer ate, but they're coming back, peas, more lemon balm and everything, celery. These are actually more plants I need to get taken care of. My sage. Those, I think, I don't know. Those are all honey squashes. I'm going to try to get them up above. Here, let's see. Then I can go up here and I'll show you what I've been doing up here. But yeah, I haven't given you guys, that's all our trees that we got to go through yet and do all them yet. There's one there. But yeah. We got some planted up here. Got some squashes and cucumbers. There's our elderberry up here at the top right there. Cucumbers here. See, now this is where I'm going to move all of that because I just made this bed up. So we're going to move all those new plants up there. There's our chamomile. This was our black raspberry bush over here, but I think, yeah, she's about done. That one up there too, she's about done. We got new ones coming on now that transplanted. So, yeah, not doing too bad here. There's these tomato plants. We're gonna skip over those ones. But, oh yeah, this was a quince tree, I think. And then there's another one up there. But yeah, that's the garden for this year, so just wanted to give you an update.